In previous tutorials, we learned how to use the forward function to draw lines. I'm going to give you guys a little bit more functions to use when it comes to drawing lines. So let's go ahead and get started by importing our turtle. I always misspell it. And let me go ahead and name my turtle. And the name of Limas equals turtle, lowercase dot turtle. And we've already learned the following. So I'm going to make my turtle Limas go forward. And because our dimensions of our grid is 400 pixels, 200 by 200, I'm just going to make it go forward 200. And as you can see, I misspelled the word turtle. So here we go. So that's what we've already learned how to do, how to make our turtle go forward 200. Well, check this out. Do you know you can also make it go forward by using a negative value? Let me go ahead and run, and I change the forward to negative 200, and you can see that the turtle goes backwards. Let's change it to 100 so you can see it. So you can make the turtle go backward 100 or forward to 100. And notice how it's still facing forward when you make it go backwards. Another thing in this lesson that I want to show you is, instead of using the word forward, let me turn this line of code off. You can actually just use, because you type a lot, you can use FW for forward. I'm sorry, FD for forward. And so instead of typing the entire word forward, you can just use the word FD. And again, you can also make it go backwards by using FD. Now let me go ahead and turn this code off. Instead of making it forward, you can also use another function called backwards. And so I'm going to go ahead and make my turtle go backward. And again, we'll use 100 pixels. And you see, you make it go backwards, and it's still facing forward. So from here, you can make it turn or go in set directions. And if you make it go backward, a negative value, what do you think it's going to do? Well, it's going to go forward. So you can also use the backward function for direction, either forward or backward. And let me go ahead and turn this line of code off. And just like you have a shortcut for using forward, you can also use a shortcut for backward. I believe it's BD. Let's double check it. Nope, it's BW. Nope, BK. That's what it is, BK for backwards. And so it's going backward 100 pixels. And here it's going to go backward negative 100. So it's going to go forward. And that's how you can make the turtle use more directions when it comes to your line. Thank you for watching.